Hey everyone, this is Tony Teaches Tech. I'm Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to password protect and encrypt a PDF on your Mac. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, I can think of a few reasons, including if the PDF has sensitive content like your social security number or your credit card number or your phone number or even your physical address that you don't want somebody who's not supposed to see that information to see. So by encrypting it and password protecting it, you're going to pretty much eliminate the possibility of somebody being able to get that sensitive information. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. I have this PDF on my desktop here. I'm going to open it with the preview application, and there's really nothing sensitive on here. This is just an old ticket stub from back in 2012 where I went to Tiesto concert in Washington, D.C. But I'm going to use this as an example on how we're going to password protect this and encrypt this. So to show you the before and after of what we're actually going to do to the underlying PDF, I'm going to open this in a text editor. And this is like kind of under the hood what the PDF looks like. You know, there's nothing really intelligible, but you do see some English words here, root, size, source, stuff like that. But you won't see anything in here like Tiesto or like echo stage. Oh, we do see echo stage. So you can pull out some information from that PDF apparently. We don't want that. We want to encrypt it. We want to password protect it. Let me show you how to do that. So let's open this again with the preview application on your Mac. And if you go to File, Export as PDF, and show details down here, you'll see the option to encrypt and add a password. So let's add a password. I'm going to add a strong password here. Okay, and I will save that. And that gives us, well, I probably should have named it a little bit better, but this is called tiesto.pdf.pdf, okay? So we'll close the old one. This is the old one on the left and the encrypted one on the right. So if we open the one on the left, double click it, it just opens up, right? Because it's not password protected or encrypted. But if we open the one on the right, which is password protected and encrypted, the first thing it's going to do is ask us for a password. So I'm going to type in some garbage here. It's not going to let us in, right? We need to type the password that I gave it. So I'll type that in, and now it allows us to open that up. And it's the same content, it's just password protected and encrypted. Now, let me show you what I mean by the fact that it's encrypted. If we open up the text editor again and drag the PDF into the text editor, you'll see that things are a lot more messed up, unreadable, I should say. Can we see Tiesto? No. Can we see echo stage? No, all of that information has been obfuscated, so there's no way, even if you don't have the password, that you can go under the hood and look at that information. So guys, hopefully that gave you some good information on how to encrypt and password protect a PDF. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. Got lots of other cool tips, tutorials, tech videos like this for you, so subscribe to this channel for more like that for me in the future. And if you do, I'll see you in the next one.